Hello, everyone. My name is Rosette Twizere from Tandika, Uganda Academy, where we teach women, youth, and girls how to make sandals, how to make belts, how to make bags and closed shoes, plus beadwork. So, today I want to talk about embellishment or some of the designs we make at Tandika, Uganda Academy. Uh, Embellishment is something that you put on your sandals or you put on your shoes when you're making them to make them look different or unique from other shoemakers. Their shoes, maybe they are copying or they are making the same design. So we want to look at how do you make your shoes look unique from other people's sandals, or how do you make them look different, or how do you even beautify them so they can all attract the customers. So on this case for me, I am talking about embellishment. We are using these ones. As you can look at this sandal, we didn't use beads because most of people think at Tandika, Uganda, they make crafts shoes only, like using these beads. As you can look at this one, we use the beads, but these ones are also part of embellishment because we made the shoe look beautiful, or we made the shoe look unique. So you can either do this, or you can do this. You can any design that you put, or you can make these ones, or we just put here and they look good. So it depends on what you want to do. So for me, I want to talk about how do we put these things there on the shoes? How do we do it so that they come out looking good, looking nice, and even longer? They can stay longer there. So here we have this embellishment here that we used. Maybe you can call it over. There are these designs that many people use on gomeses, like for Ugandans, they put on those dresses for women, the gomeses or anywhere. But for us, we chose to use them on our sandals. So how do we put them there? There are different types. There's this, different colors. So you just look at anything that makes your shoe look beautiful or look unique from others. So first you identify what size do you want to make, which design, which color. Then you start measuring and you start preparing how to put it there. So in this case, I want to do something like this. This is a cushion sandal. So I also have my strap here that I cut from leather. So I want to be able to put something like this, or to put this embellishment on my sandal. So I've measured my strap. I just need to measure now. Where do I put it? Like, so in that case, if I want to use something like this size, I just bring it here and put it here and mark. You can mark using something that is visible, or you can mark using a pen. But it's not advisable to try to on leather using a pen because sometimes it refuses to come out. So here is where I want to put here. So after having this one, you've measured where this one ends because this is size 38. So now you prepare the leather. How? You first make it rough. Make it rough, like you you first use sandpaper or use the scoring machine that I showed you. So the gum can, and put gum, so the gum can be able to stick on this leather. Gum always needs a press that is rough, not just smooth. So in this case, I have my markings here and I have my leather. I'm going to use a sanding paper. So I come and I do something like this. shouldn't be smooth. So it will be looking like this. So here is when you don't want to use a sewing machine, but if you want to do it first. First, I just bring a sewing machine and you pass the sewing machine here and here. Then you can also come and put it here. So let's assume you have something big like this and you prepare. So you just come and measure. So mine is ending here. So it will be here. So I'll bring my gum. You can use a gum brush. Just apply in the gum brush and put here, or you can just use this bottle here like this. I'm applying gum so that the embellishment can be able to stick very well, so that you don't have to put it on once and comes out. So after applying gum, we let it to dry, depending on weather. We shall watch our next video about how do you make your gum dry, even when weather is bad, or when you're working at night. So for this time, it's shining, so we are drying our gum here. Once it dries, we shall just apply it here. So as you leave your gum to dry, then you can start preparing your insole, your carpet, your sole, and you make them ready like this one here, the carpet, the inner sole, and the sole. So in this case, we shall assume our gum has dried. So we shall bring this one and put it there. And our strap will be done. So if we have our carpet and the inner sole, shall just put it. So it will be, it's as easy as that. So thanks for watching. I'm Rosette from Tandika, Uganda. We are located in Chireka na Mugongo Road. In case you want to come for training, our training is always on. It's ongoing. You start as soon as you report. Thanks very much.